I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
What is up, everybody? This is JJW from the UMCOC podcast and the Collector Dev team and my backyard. And today I'm going to tell you about my favorite pair of headphones I've ever owned. These were actually free from Cowin. They are the HE8D. I got these because I bought their the Cowin HE8D ear cup headphones, which I'm currently wearing, and I got these last year as a gift, and I loved these headphones. Unfortunately, this earbud is now dead because you cannot put it in a cup of water overnight, which is what I did. So why are you making this video, JJ? Because as much as I love these headphones, I can't use them anymore. So I purchased the Cowin HE8D Ultimo Power ANC headphone with, I guess Cowin is probably a Chinese company because those are Mandarin characters or Chinese characters. Okay, so what are we doing? This is an unboxing video. I'm going to tell you about the headphones that I used to replace my very favorite headphones that I've ever owned. The HE8D. Just ordered these. I got these a couple days ago. But I haven't used them. I just took the wrapping off earlier today. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realized that one, it's a beautiful winter day here in Texas in my backyard, and I realized I did not show the back of the box. So this is the back of the box. And the reason why I want to show the back of the box is because there's some very important information there, right? Okay, so the back of the box says HE8 active noise canceling in-ear headphones with the latest AMS ANC technology that provides you with lossless listening experience, OTG charging, support charging with your phone. So one, I forgot to mention, yeah, these are noise canceling headphones, active noise canceling headphones. That's the other reason there's a microphone in the I think there's microphones in the earbuds themselves. So okay, the technical information for headphones junkies. This is version 4.1 plus EDR. I believe that's Bluetooth version 4.1. The frequency range is 2.4 to 2.4835 gigahertz. That would be transmission frequency. The chipset is CSR 8645 plus ANC. Supports the following Bluetooth protocols: HSP, HEP, A2DP, AVRCP, aptX. I know that A2DP is the stereo Bluetooth profile for sure. Sensitivity 108 plus or minus 3 decibels. So I cannot tell you what the 0 dB equals 20 micro. Yeah, I don't know what the UPA thing is. Sorry. It's 1 kilohertz. Charging time 1 to 2 hours. Playtime 4 to 6 hours. Talk time 4.5 to 7 hours. Standby time 200 hours. Yeah, awesome. The above figures may vary depending on the user's habits, operating modes, and smart devices. Shenzhen Medong Acoustics Company Ltd. What else do we have here? We have an address in China. Support at Cowin Audio is an email address, which I think I'm going to have to use for my other headphones. Oh my gosh, I just changed the brightness of the display. Come on, dum-dum. CowinAudio.com, that's for sure. Technical standards, and then there's some recycling codes and some other stuff like that. And yep, okay. I think that's all the important info from the back. And now, let's go open the box. How do people make unboxing videos with one hand? Okay. So what do you get? So it's a nice white box marked on the top and bottom with the Cowin company name. It's silver embossed or etched or whatever. and that's also like silver, and they are kind of I don't know, it's pretty cool shipping package. The sides have the model number in English and I presume in Chinese. And what do you get? You get this awesome hard shell case. Okay, you get an insert. You get a standard USB-A to micro USB cord. You get a little package with earbuds of different sizes. These are large and medium. And you get an instruction guide, documentation. Okay, you get all of that stuff. We'll set that aside for a moment. We'll set that aside. Okay. How do you operate a zipper with one hand? Can I do it? The hard shell case. Listen. Pretty awesome. Hard shell case. Zipper. It's got the Cowin name on the side there. Okay. Inside the hard shell case are the HE8D headphones on one side. But before I get to that, I'll pull this out. Let me get this stuff out. Okay, this is actually the charging device for the headphones. So these headphones feature this cool magnetic clasp. So let me pull the headphones out, and there's one more thing in here. Okay, so awesome hard shell. It's actually very, very convenient. Inside of the package are the headphones themselves, a charging connector, which is an interesting USB-A, but it's got some USB 3 stuff going on in here. I don't really know what that's all about. And a magnetic charging dock for the headphones. And then this thing is basically like a spare battery for your headphones. It holds like 8 hours of charge or something like that. So if you are not at a place where you have your charging dock and you are out and about and your headphones are dying, snap this dude on there and it will charge back up, or it will just like run a lot longer. So, I mean, I love this, because the thing I hate most about headphones is usually plugging in the little USB micro cable or whatever. This solves that, because in the middle of the night, if I'm done and it's dark, I can just reach over and take my connector and just snap it onto the charging base. There's also a like a ring thing on the spare battery, so you can kind of like tie it to something else or loop it through another USB cable or something like that. So, awesome charging system. It basically comes with two chargers, because you take that USB-A cable and plug that on here, and you could have two different chargers. Okay, so now, what's the big deal about these headphones? Oh my God! Sorry, that's my finger. Okay. So, they're all kind of tied up or whatever. This is like the hardest one-handed challenge. An unboxing video with one hand. Okay, so, for one, the headphones, I usually wear them behind my neck or you know, in front of my neck, and they kind of tuck this piece into my shirt. That kind of keeps them from falling to the ground if they come out of my ears. Okay, so the length of this cord is roughly, I would say 24 inches total. So it's about 12 inches from the earbud to the charging clasp, and then another 12 inches back to the other earbud. On this, this is the Bluetooth control, volume control, and there's a mute button. So let's look. Okay, whoops. Let's look at this a little more closely. Hopefully I'm in focus here. Okay, so on one side here you have a toggle, a single throw switch. Come on, zoom. It's too close. Okay, so there's a switch. That's a mute button, you know, so that you can make sure that you're not using, your mic's not hot. It looks like there's a light or something. Oh no, maybe it's an on and off switch. I'm not real sure, but there's a light. It might be an indicator light for your microphone. Okay, on this side, again, it's pretty difficult to see. There is the microphone hole. There, you can see it right there. So so there's the microphone hole, and then on the back, plus volume, power, minus volume, and that you hold it down to change the volume, or you can toggle it and it acts as like a forward. Hold it down and it changes the volume, or you can just push it once and it acts as a backwards. And then obviously power on, off, and Bluetooth pair. Okay, that's all normal stuff. This is also pretty normal. So I find most headphones to be uncomfortable. They're very, very large, and they don't sit well in the ear. These are the smallest of the earbud adapter options, and they're quite small. But the thing that matters more is the thing they go on is also very small. So the actual earbud is not round and very large. It's probably like 60% of the size of a standard earbud. So these actually fit very, very comfortably in my ears, and the whole headphones are very light, rather evenly balanced, given that the charging dock is at the middle of the bottom. So that means that when you're wearing these headphones, you know, this is actually not very heavy, this little control. They're rather evenly balanced, so one side's not gonna like fall out of your ear or anything like that. And then this is like super comfortable because it's very small. If you have larger ears, I mean, I don't have small ears, but what I have is my ears are pretty sensitive. And if I wear earphones for long periods of time, they get really, you know, irritated. So these are small earbud adapters, and then the small earbud itself. So very, very comfortable. So these Bluetooth headphones have very long battery life, 2 charging systems, a spare battery included. They sound really good, and they have the magnetic dock type connector, so they're easy to charge at night, and you don't have to fiddle around with a port and a USB cable. And comes with a nice hard shell travel case, so you know, if you want to take them with you somewhere. I mean, and normally these headphones were like $60, but I got these on Amazon for $25. Normally you'd see them for $60. I don't know, maybe it was a holiday special or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching my unboxing video of the Cowin HE8D headphones. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs up. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.